2 of our summer cruise holiday extravaganza. So we're just packed up, ready to go at the Premier Inn Wigan M6. You'll probably see we've just posted a little review because we don't have access to doing our Iona vlogs. But all ready to go. We're heading down to Basingstoke for day 2 and we're looking forward to that. We've got a meal booked in Miller and Carter. We might go to the cinema, go to the shops, and also we'll show you around our Premier Inn hotel that we've booked there. That's in the town centre, so it's quite convenient. And we're looking forward to the day. It's about a 3 hours drive, so hopefully that won't take too long. And you know, we'll see you when we get there. Everybody, and here we are at day 2, and I've just arrived at the Premier Inn in Basingstoke. So I'm just going to give you a little room tour of this hotel and our room. And here we just come to the LED lights. You can see it's a little bit different system from the one that we had yesterday in the Wigan one. It's wire lights rather than the kind of round lighting here. So I'll turn this off. Oh, something coming on. Aircon coming on. And just going through here. Here we have the hanging shelf, different order. Obviously we've got the pillows up there. We put some of our cases there. This room beside the hairdryer, and this little jar here that they didn't have in the other one. Here, the cheese and coffees are over here. At this part of the room, where we have a bottle opener, 2 shelves, the bin, and you just go around and do the space here. More cases, and over here, this is where we have plug sockets. We've got, you know, you can put in your audio visual buttons here. Has a Samsung television rather than the unbranded one we had and the Wigan one, and more plug sockets over here. So there's plenty of sockets over here to charge phone. Just a regular lamp here, a little bit apart here. Here is the window, which didn't show you at all, very interesting, but we can see Wigan and Basingstoke, so I say, not Wigan. And Emily's got this bed here, and it's a standard double bed here, and that's a little bit wonky, but looks okay. And the lights doesn't look like it has, you know, the purple Premier Inn branded light system that the other one does, and more artwork here. But we do have air conditioning, and this one is standard air conditioning units on the kind of newer hotels. Very good. So going to turn back on the light for the bathroom, open up and see what we can see. And again, we've got one of the new bathrooms in the Premier Inn. It's a full walk-in shower. What should I show you? The other one is the newer ones have sliding shower doors, which is very good. Billis and Harden toiletries. As you can see, that's a very standard toiletries now. I'll just turn this round so you can see that it's got white tea in there away. And we actually have this. You can get it from Home Bargains. You can use it as a hand wash at home. Standard sink, standard toilet, towels, everything you need. So very pleased with the room. Again, it's a nice room. You can't argue. It's a lot cheaper than going to Southampton for a night. And we can stay here. It's for about 45 minutes drive, so we'll leave early in the morning. We should be in Southampton at the time we need to be for our cruise, and we'll keep you updated. But this is the Premier Inn at Basingstoke Town Centre, and we'll let you know how we think about it later on once we have stayed here for the night. Okay, so thanks for watching. And from here we can see a view of the town centre. So it's a quite quick walk from the hotel to the town centre. You can see all the kind of flats and things in the distance that are near the train station, and it's quite close for everything, so it's a really convenient location. And we're going to go and get ready and then head out for dinner. I'm looking forward to that after a long day of travelling. A lot longer than we expected it to be, but we're here now and we're glad of that. So not so much travels until after the cruises. So looking forward to some relaxing time, some nice times, some good cruises, some good fun, and then we'll show you what we're going to get up to, and we look forward to showing you that in the next couple of weeks. Where are we now?
We're at Noah Carter.
Morning, Carter. And what are you going to be having for your dinner today?
I'm gonna have the sticky chipotle chicken bites for my starter,
Yes.
and for my main, I'll have a rump 7-ounce, medium rare,
Are you
with
going to
chips.
and you're going to have the desserts?
I think I'll just have a dessert in the house.
Okay. What about you, Tracy?
I'm going to have the same as Emily.
Yes. And guess what? I'm going to have the same as Emily and Tracy. We've got the menu here so we can see it. There's starters, extra starters, main courses, and desserts. Although I'll probably have a creme brulee for desserts. I think we start having a dessert. Also, we can show you a sample of the main menu. There's the nibbles and the starters up here on the main menu. Obviously, more choices of steak for the a la carte. And there's the prices there. And the different ones that have 30-day aged steaks as well. And sharing. So it's got the beef and shutter brand. And obviously it comes with extras and sides. Hey Emily, what's arrived?
It's our starter.
And what would we have here?
We have the sweet chili chicken bites.
Chipotle bites. Looking very delicious, and we all have the same. We're looking forward to these and enjoying them, and then we're going to have dinner. What did you have for your starter?
I had the chipotle chicken bites.
And did you enjoy them?
Yes.
And what's up next?
We are getting a 7-ounce rump steak.
Yes, looking forward to that.
Yes.
On your sides, you're going to have chips, onion loaf, going to have char grilled vegetables, mushrooms, and steamed greens. Sounds good, doesn't it? Emily's looking forward to all those veggies, as you can see by the video. Emily, be nice with the camera. Remember, you're on YouTube.
You said that I was going to eat vegetables. I don't like vegetables.
You eat them, and you know, this is all recorded for future purposes.
Hey, you said too much vegetables. I'll be fine with... I don't mind the same grilled veggies, but don't do the rest.
Well, we'll see what you get, and we'll report back later, won't we? After we've had our main courses. Food's arrived, Emily. What do you think?
Good.
Like steak with chips, potato, and obviously we've got a mixture of veggies and mushrooms and sauteed greens. I've got the same. Tracy just put out something, so lots of greens there. All the mushrooms are gone, but some vegetables left. We're all looking forward to this. Emily's looking forward to having a rare steak. Let's see how it is, Emily. Can you show? Yes, that's a nice rare steak. Look at the pinkness of that. You see the pinkness? Yes. Looking forward to this, and we'll let you know how it tastes after we've had some. How did you find your dinner?
Good.
What did you enjoy best? What was your favourite bit?
The steak.
The steak? And anything else you liked? Did you like the mushrooms?
The mushrooms
Did you
and
like
the chips.
Oh, okay. How about you, Tracy? Did you enjoy yours?
Stuff like this.
Yes. What was your favourite part?
I really like the chimichurri sauce. It was nice.
Yes. That was very nice. I liked having the red wine sauce, and there's not much left. We have some chips left. Emma's got some chips left. Just got tomato left. There's always a tomato that gets left, Emma. Do you know why the tomato gets left? No, it just seems to be the tomato gets left. And are you going to say bye to everybody? Okay, right, we'll see you soon. And Miss Chip now. Here we have the creme brulee, and Tracy's got vanilla ice cream. And Emily's got nothing. She's having M&M's when she gets back to the room. She's taking a quick walk around the shops now. She's managed to get a couple of things she wanted to get. Superdrug, some makeup, and it's almost closing time. We're just going to go quickly get some juices for the room and go back to chill in the hotel. It's almost 7 o'clock, so we're kind of race against time to get the juices. But if not, we'll get them from somewhere outside. Sure, there'll be a news agents or something opening up we'll get them from. Worst comes to the worst. But just kind of walking through centre. Kind of mix of regular stores and some kind of independent stores. Not bad. good for a town this size. And we'll go through here, get what we need to get, and then we'll head back to the hotel. Hi everybody, we just wanted a good idea to show you what we got when we were at the Gretna Outlets yesterday. We got some nice things. We didn't get a lot of time to film because one, we were in a rush to get back down to the hotel, and two, the weather was pretty terrible, so didn't really want to have the phone out filming in the rain. But we've got some nice things, so we're going to show you all that. But first of all, before we show you that, we're going to show you something that we got on our stop today. So first thing we got today was we got another Starbucks mug to add to our collection.
Ooh.
So this one's a little bit more obscure because it's an Oxford mug, which is one that we wanted to collect, and we can see it has like the Oxford University, the boat race, and kind of some other familiar buildings in the Oxford area. And it's a nice green, dark blue and sky blue colour. So that's a great addition to the cups. There's only, I think, 3 more we have to get from England, that being Cambridge, Newcastle and Birmingham, and 1 more from Scotland being St Andrews, and then we have the full UK set, so we're really excited that we managed to get that. So next, I'm going to show you some clothes that we managed to get. First of all, we went to Crew Clothing Company, and I managed to get some new boxer shorts, 3 pairs for £12, which was a good buy because I was needing to get some more. Before the holiday I did buy some, but not enough for 18 nights away. And I managed to get myself a new t-shirt. You'll see lots of Crew Clothing Company t-shirts on the vlogs because I do like the quality of them, and it's a good price, £14, a nice green with white and pink stripes. I like the ones with the stripes because it's better than just a plain shirt, so quite happy with that one. Whereas Tracy managed to get 2 tops. So I'll just show you the first top we got. It's a nice polo top. You can see it's white with pink, yellow and blue detailing on it. It's very nice, light one. I think that was £12, wasn't it, Tracy?
Yeah, 12.
£12, which is a good price for a polo top. And we've got this top,
It's a bit
which was
fancier.
nice, kind of a little bit more original. A kind of reddish colour. And you can see the kind of pattern around the neck. And that was a nice top too. So very pleased with those purchases from Crew Clothing Company. So after that, we're just going to move on to M&S, where Tracy was looking to get a few pairs of trousers, and fortunately they had quite a lot of ones that she liked that she managed to buy. And the first pair she had kind of pair of cargo trousers in pink, nice pink colour. So they're quite good. They'll go with some of the kind of nice tops that she's got for her holiday, and it's nice kind of summery wear. She managed to get a pair of grey jeggings, so look a little bit smarter for the holidays. Like maybe we can wear them if we're going to kind of a more kind of formal occasion, or even if we're in York or Windsor when we're in, later on in the vlogs, when we're in a part of that trip, we might wear that during the day if we're maybe going to go to a nice restaurant or something. And we got some more cargo pants, got a nice green colour as well. And finally, we've got a nice turquoise blue colour of the cargo pants. So, I mean, we got them for a great price because it is the Outlets, so we were really happy with the cargo pants we got. Are you happy
Yes,
with them,
it's
Tracy?
very nice. I like the colours. They're nice
All
and
nice
comfy.
colours and great for the summer. We're hoping we're going to get some sunshine over the next week or so when we're on our Northern Europe cruise, so perfect time for wearing some of those things. And last but not least, we went into Molton Brown and we managed to get ourselves a couple of bargains, weren't we, Tracy?
Yes, very
Yes, we're
pleased
really
with this.
pleased. So first of all, we'll show you the shower gels that we got, because we do like to have shower gels and we thought we could use them when we're actually on the cruise. So I got my favourite, which is Blissful Temple Tree. That's one that I've had a favourite for years and years, and I really like it. And Tracy got Rosa Absolute, which she did have one purchased and we couldn't find before the holiday. So we're glad that we had the chance to stop off and get one of them. And then we managed to get a fragrance each. So Tracy has got the Rosa Absolute fragrance of the parfum. And it was a bargain price of £20.70. Obviously the fragrance has been discontinued now from the regular stores, and it was one of the last ones they had. But it comes in the same bottle as the standard fragrances that are in. It's just that they've changed to a different fragrance. But you know, for £20.70 and an RRP of £85, certainly can't complain. and myself, I managed to get, which is Molton Brown Russian leather for £25.50. And again, it's only changed name because of Russian leather maybe not quite the good marketing anymore. It's now called dark leather. So it's the same fragrance, same packaging, but it gets it for £25.50. Wasn't going to complain at that. So that completes our haul from the last day or two. And I'm sure we'll have more hauls when we've been in Northern Europe and been to Norway. And we'll definitely show you anything else that we managed to purchase when we're on our travels.
Definitely a few magnets.
Yes, and we always like to get magnets, so we'll have to get some magnets, especially from Norway. We've not got any Norwegian magnets before, and there's plenty of other things we'll have to get as well. But thanks very much for joining us for this little haul video, and we'll see you soon.